Swing the right hand in a circle while the left hand blocks upward. Form a rooster beak hand shape and step forward with the right foot. Immediately perform a backward sweep kick while the right hand blocks and forms a rooster beak. Immediately perform a backward sweep kick with the left leg. The left hand blocks and forms a rooster beak, while the right leg performs a backward sweep kick. Front view demonstration. Side view demonstration. Rear view demonstration. Form 3, third move. Xie Huaicheng. Golden rooster pecks at food and announces dawn.